not Zig.
You ready, Phil?
He's in the shower.
Ready,
But
Phil?
we're not black.
Ready, Phil? Ready? Ready? Blah! See that?
Yo. Motherfucker, it's Phil. Not Zig. He's in the shower. And we're white. Not black.
What's that?
That's Zig's collar. See that there? Zig. Zig. Zig! It's everywhere. Us. It's us.
What's going on today?
Today we're about to get some chicken actually, but we're just waiting on Zig's black ass. And yeah, KFC. It's better in Australia. California's got nothing. After that, we're gonna head down to Skate HQ and get Zig another scooter because he decided to throw his in the harbour yesterday. And yeah, he was gonna fetch it, but we all know
swim.
we all know black men can't swim.
He can't swim.
Black people can't swim. It's a fact. It's a fact. Yeah, so that's the plan. What's the plan for you, Phil? What are you doing today, Phil?
Zig!
What?
What are you doing?
I'm fucking nigga, I'm washing my face. What do you want?
Oh, there's a window. Pull the curtain back.
Zig, what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing up there?
What?